am redoing the video on the car vlog. It is definitely going to be posted as soon as you guys are seeing this, so here we go. I'm going to take that one off, and I'm also going to do the 10 car mods as well, because I noticed that there is a error in editing towards the middle of the video, and I don't know why that happened, but I'm definitely going to fix it, and I have to re-upload it, so it'll definitely not have the views, and it won't have any comments. It'll be just like I'm re-uploading a new video. But I have to do it like this. I'm sorry guys, but if you guys want, you guys can go rewatch it again. I'm going to add a little bit more to it too as well. So let me know what you guys think about this current video today. What is up, my Top Build community? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about what I have planned for my income tax. Alright, so what I am planning to do with my income tax is a surprise for all you guys. I want to do a build series here. I have 3 cars that I'm going to name, and I will also try to put the pictures up as well. If I don't remember, don't hate me. I'll probably most likely show you guys in another video anyways, but that is what we're going to be talking about right now, so let's get into it. So the first car is going to be a 1967 Mustang. That is definitely a nice, good classic, and it will just be beautiful once I'm done. And the second one is a 2001 Ford Mustang Mach 1 GT. Which that one can be actually really good to start a good YouTube off with. Mustangs have been a big part of my life, so that's why I'm deciding on the Mustang. So the third one is a Thunderbird. It can be any year within 63 till whatever year. So I haven't quite decided yet, but when I do on those 3, I will definitely let you guys know, but it's going to be more of a surprise. I want to try to make it a surprise, but I still do take votes, so if you guys want to leave those down in the comment section down below, I will muchly appreciate that, because you're going to help me make my decision a lot more easier. So as far as the income tax goes, that's pretty much what I have planned, and Blue Panther here will still get modded shortly, but you know, it all depends on how big my YouTube can actually grow and to support both builds going on. And the one build that I definitely want to do with you guys is on a classic. So if I can get a classic going, sweet. I can build that thing with you guys, take it down to the track with you guys. So I'm going to be looking into that, but I just wanted to update you guys on that.